When your Joy-Con bumper buttons stop responding, it's usually due to dust buildup, moisture, or internal wear. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple and effective steps to fix the L and R bumper buttons and get your Nintendo Switch back to smooth gameplay. So let's get started. For the first fix, you need to test the buttons first. So your Nintendo Switch allows you to test your individual buttons. So if you have any issues, you can just go to your system settings. And while inside the system settings, you can scroll down and find controllers and sensors. While you're inside controllers and sensors, what you need to do is scroll down and find the option called Test Input Devices and open it up. Inside here, you'll find the option called Test Controller Buttons. Open it up, and now while you're inside, you have to press the L and R button and see if it responds or not. If other buttons work, but this significant button does not work out for you, then that means the problem is with your buttons, so that should be the issue. And in that case, you will need to take it to a software or a hardware repair store. So once they repair the issue, they will be gone. But if you see that the test input devices are showing your buttons, then that means the issue is software related. So if you have software related issues, then you can go back to your system settings. And while inside, you need to scroll down and tap on System and then go to System Update. Make sure that you have the latest software available. If you have any updates available, make sure to update your system and that will fix the problem. But even after updating, if the issue still persists, then let's try the other solutions. For the next solution, we're going to clean our bumper buttons. So just use a brush or a soft cleaning cloth to clean this area because dust and debris can get built up here and that can cause the issue. So if you have any dust or debris built up, you can clean this up. And if you have something thin, like you'll see that around these connector areas, there are some slits. So you have to make sure that this slit area doesn't have any dust buildup. If you have some thin paper or some thin cardboard, you can just slide them down and clean this slit area. So make sure this slit area is cleaned. If you have cleaned this area up, you can just restart your Nintendo Switch again. And after cleaning it, try using the buttons and see if that works or not. If that doesn't work either, then we can try the next solution. Just detach your Joy-Con controllers from your Nintendo Switch, and while they're detached, you will see that they are showing some sort of light. And right in the center of them, you will find these two buttons. These are the sync buttons. If you press on it once, the light will shut down and that will basically shut down your Nintendo Switch Joy-Con controllers. If you press and hold on to them for like 4 to 5 seconds, eventually the lights will start blinking and that will resync the Joy-Con controllers. After they have been resynced, try connecting them or try playing in Bluetooth mode and see if that fixes your buttons. If that does not fix your buttons either, then let's try one last solution. For this, we're going to disconnect our controllers. Let's go to System Settings, then scroll down to the very bottom, and while we're in System, scroll down once again on the right side and you'll find the option called Actually My Bad. It's not in System anymore, it's on Controllers and Sensor. So you see after the update, the system got changed. So anyway, while you're inside Controllers and Sensors, you need to scroll down and on the bottom, you'll find Disconnect Controllers. Tap on Disconnect Controllers or select it. And then simply slide up your Joy-Con controllers. And after that, you have to press the X button on the controller that you want to disconnect. So simply just press the X button over here and the controller will be disconnected and hit OK on your screen. And after that, your controllers will be disconnected and they will be able to resync. What you need to do, just slide them down like this. And once they have been slid down, they will show this over here. And that will basically mean that the controllers have been paired again. And after repairing them, see if the buttons work out or not. If the buttons still don't work, then that means the issue is hardware related. Then you will need to take it to a Nintendo support center or a hardware repair shop to help. Otherwise, if the video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to this channel for more useful tips on the Nintendo Switch. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you next time.